In this video I am investigating a mystery chimney leak. This chimney has recently been scaffolded. It was repointed, reflaunched, and it had cowls placed on top. A friend of mine who did the work rang me up yesterday and said customers rang up complaining that when it rains heavily he's getting a drip down the flue. Let's go up and have a look to see what could be causing that. I am up. You see the chimney behind me. Let me just say again what the situation is here. When rain is lashing it down, really coming down strong, water is dripping down the flue and dripping into the living room. So let me spin you around. That means water must be getting into the flue directly. Now you can see the job that my friend has done here. He's repointed this brickwork and that all looks sound. He's done a nice job of that, and all of this is on solid. The flaunching is excellent, very good. I mean, there is the tiniest little hairline crack. Apparently it was hot when he did this, but that's not going to be causing the problem. But what is interesting here is we've got these mushroom pots on top of the chimney, and we can even see water dripping down here. And can you see how it is dripping down between the chimney pot and the mushroom itself? Now, I believe that's the problem. So in order to solve this problem, I've got some CT1 and I am proposing to seal the gap between the mushroom pot and the chimney pot with CT1 to prevent water from rolling down the mushroom pot into the flue itself. Now, don't get me wrong, it has to be really heavy rain for this to be a problem, but it is a problem, and it's a problem we can fix right now. While we're here, I'll just take the mushroom off and show you. You can see the water is literally running down. Now it's very steady rain today, not very wet at all, but the problem only occurs when it is absolutely hammering it down. But you can see how this could potentially happen. And there you go. I'm sure a few of you might have something to say about my silicone smoothing skills, but that has now sealed the mushroom pot to the chimney pot so no water can get inside there. I'm going to do the same with this pot over here. But top tip, or when it's wet like this, use CT1. In my opinion, CT1 is the only thing that will actually stick to anything in the rain and wet, and it does a fantastic job. It's the best on the market currently. I'm going to do the same with the next one now. Yeah. Oh no, I can see, you know, I can see the water running down. It's a perfect next to really respective to see what's going on. Huh? Yeah. I have got another tube in my van, but that'll do the job. It'll be enough to stick that straight back in as well. That's just the thing. If I'm going to use my own CT1, you've got to pay for it because it's really expensive. But it's the best. There we go. That will do that. That should solve the problem. No, this is sound. It's done a nice job of this.